Welcome. You have arrived at the perfect time. Release your external responsibilities and step into the quiet, sacred architecture of your own soul. Close your eyes and breathe deep. Feel yourself becoming centered, steady, and vast. We are moving beyond the distractions of the world to touch the truth of who you are. Do not try to force a change. Instead, become a vessel for the light. We are engaging in a frequency of remembrance, clearing old patterns to make space for your most authentic expression. Inhale light into every corner of your being, and exhale everything that is not yours to carry. Receive this. We begin now.
Ekakara kitaka kesho kerenakasho. Oreta dara kara naka. Ereka toka. Karatoka sheka. Ereta taka kera nakaka. Ereta dara neka karama. Karanaka tesho. Karadesho tora taka kesho. Ereta dara ko. Ereta dara ko karaka ke. Karaka ke arata dara ishoka ke. Kereta dara o. Ureta ka. Ureta kama dasho karaneka. Karaneka ureta dara o ka. O kara dasho kereneka orataka. Karataka o. Ereta dara ma. Emaka kara kishoka ke ratatera ireta dara kora desho ikera ko da karatasha naka ke ereta karaka kora karatasho ereta kara kashoka ke kasho, eroka katara kereta orata kasho karaneka kerata to, erodasho ereketa karanaka kesho karama ereka kora kashoka keratana naka kesho, kerete oroka ke. Ereto dora karadora kasho erokama katara katisho ereta dara katasho kereneka oraka kereka dora dasho kera ereto dara karaneka ko erenaka kera tosha karaneka ora da. Orata tara, ereto tara, keretara, osho doka ke. Kerenaka o, erenaka o, karata tera, karanata tera, oraka kara, tosha matake. Kerenoka ka, erekatora dasho ke, kareka kora, ereka kora tesho kana. Karatara, oreta tara. Ereto to karate ishoka ma kasho karate shoneka ereneka karatara ke ereta tora kana naka kesho karatesho oratara karatera osho kora kesho karate eretasho tetara kareka esho Eshokara kashoka ke, oh, tate reta toka kesho naka kera, karatera ututu kesho, karatesho tu, ereta tasho, oratatera karaka kesho, ereka noka karata ureta ta, Te-ta, isho-ta-ta. Karate uratateka. Iroka ke ratatera teshonaka. Ikaratosha ireko kora karatera neka eshokaka. Eshokaka kakara shokakera. Eridaka kora. Karatosho tora kera naka ke ereto kate karota tasho eretasho. Karatasho neka ereto dara kareka eshoka kasho karanesho eretata koraka kera nasho oretata karane oraka ka eretako karako ero katosha kesho nakake ero katosha ka.
Slowly return your focus to the present moment. Feel your connection to the earth, grounded and fully present in your physical form. Sit with this feeling of expansion. The activations you have just received are already integrating into your cellular memory. You are reclaiming your truth. As you move forward, remember that this clarity is not temporary. It is your baseline. You are the master of your own resonance. I am honored to hold this space with you. To further your journey or to request a private remote activation, please visit JeanetteGibson.com. Walk in sovereignty.